you, Madam Chair, and really appreciate you and Ranking Member Calvert for holding this hearing today. Very, very important. I think we can all agree that investment in the nation's defense is absolutely critical to deterring future conflicts. With that said, many on the committee have heard me talk about the Rock Island Arsenal in the past. I usually have some question that evolves around that. Located literally on an island in the middle of the Mississippi River. I've already invited our new chair to come and visit, and I hope that we'll be able to make that happen. So the Rock Island Arsenal is home to the Army's Additive and Advanced Manufacturing Center of Excellence. We're very proud of that. They are on the cutting edge of 3D printing technology for future use. Things like research and development work on the next generation combat vehicle, while also building the vehicles and armament needed today, like every day, every work day there, they're converting Humvee chassis to ambulances. They're now converting those Humvee chassis to make shop equipment vehicles. And so I share this to say that the district that I represent is an example of the larger defense investment discussion. The fact that we need to smartly balance investment in future needs and technology with modernization of the existing force. So that leads into the question that I'd like to ask, and I will direct this to any and or all of the witnesses that we have today, whoever would like to take this. But I'd like to get your thoughts on the importance of advanced and additive manufacturing to the future of defense spending. As you all already acknowledged, and as we know, the National Defense Strategy places tremendous emphasis on the use of disruptive technologies to counter threats from near-peer competitors. Just a little bit deeper here, but so additive and advanced manufacturing is such a disruptive technology that it has the potential to significantly change how we address supply chain issues, completely rethinking how we develop certain weapon systems while saving significant funding. So I'm wondering if, similar to the creation of the Joint Artificial Intelligence Center, it would make sense to create an office to better coordinate advanced manufacturing activities across DoD. Your thoughts on that? Again, any and or all of the panelists can answer that, please.
I'll take a first stab at it, which is, look, I think it's a great idea. I think, if we look at future concepts, combat concepts, warfare concepts that the services are developing, joint staffs developing, they place a premium on mobility and agility, right? And having the ability to do additive manufacturing, advanced manufacturing forward, and to be able to serve the needs of forces, I think is going to be a critical capability. We're still in the 21st century. We're slowed down by the need to haul food, water, supplies, and power. Well, the water and food you're not going to get away from as human beings. But the ability to lighten the logistical load and through things like advanced manufacturing, I think, is a real promising area. It's one of the reasons why I think that the logistical piece of warfare needs to get a greater attention and really does need to have a high-level advocacy and sponsorship.
Glad to hear you say that.
I would just
Please
jump in and add to that I think additive manufacturing has a lot of potential to help with military readiness and being able to print, specialized tools in the field that you may not want to have to carry with you because they're rarely needed. And in some cases, being able to print specialized replacement parts, spare parts that you would not want to have to carry with you. That can be very valuable going forward. And so that's something that's definitely worth exploring and looking at investments in. I also would not want to discount the role of the private sector here in leading, the charge for additive manufacturing. I've looked at a lot of companies that are figuring out ways that they can build parts and components that go into everything from rocket engines to jet engines to you name it, things that they literally could not build without additive manufacturing that are greatly improving the performance, the reliability of the systems they're building. So there's a lot of work going on here in the private sector we should not discount.
Thank you. Ma'am, is there anything else you'd like to add with 13 seconds left?
No, thank you. I have nothing to add on this particular topic.
Okay, thanks very much. Madam Chair, I yield back.
Thank you.